Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. My name's Brendan and today we're going to learn the fallen angel, also known as the 360 drop. Alright, let's get started, and remember, you've got this. You want to go at least one climb up for this drop to ensure you've got enough space. Split the silks, straddle invert, and then wrap your legs from the outside in. Cross the fabric behind your back and then wrap your knees from the inside out. It's easier to get the fabric over your foot if you just wrap your knee and then arch your leg away. Once you're here, you're very secure and you can let go with your hands. Keep the fabric in your armpits and do a big sit up, and then wrap your legs twice above the knee and once below. Turn your thumbs to face down and come through the fabric into your arch. When you're ready to drop, let go with both hands and then catch the pole ends of the fabric. To exit, circle your legs to untangle the fabric, re-invert, and let the knot come off your back. Alright, let's go through that one more time in a little bit more detail. If you guys are enjoying this tutorial, you can help me out by clicking the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so you're notified every time I upload. Straddle invert, legs on the outsides of the silk and then wrapping in. Cross the fabrics behind your back, making sure that you're keeping tension on both ends of the fabric at all times. Wrap the fabric over your knees from the inside out, remembering that it's easier to arch away rather than try and pull the fabric over your foot. Keeping the silks in front of you, bend one knee and do a big sit up and climb up the silks. Wrap in your legs 3 times on each side. Reach through the fabrics, thumbs face down as you come through into your arch. Unravel the legs and either invert or pull up to let the knot come off your back. Another way to come out of this is to drop down into your climb. So come into a climb, let your arms come through the fabrics, and then let the knot drop off. You do lose quite a bit of height with this exit though. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on the fallen angel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.